Hi, my name is Keith Norbie. I'm in the partner community as both an analyst, blogger, an activist around virtualization, storage, and several other things. And I guess today we're going to talk a little bit about flash storage. And in the range of flash, that's been a very hot topic over the last couple of years. It's birthed almost an entire segment of the storage industry to have more than a dozen different options out there that a lot of folks are trying to assess. And a lot of this has really jumped onto the scene with options in PCIe. That's been a lot faster than drive encapsulated, but the whole phenomenon started with drive encapsulated flash. And the real purpose of the whole category of the industry now has been to really reduce latency. And at first, a lot of the folks in the industry, a lot of the end users didn't really realize that it was really about latency. It was more about trying to increase performance. But the interesting thing about latency in the context of flash, as you look at that in the different architectures, is you really have got a lot of different ways to disseminate who's got what architectures. And as you look at how they deal with things like inline deduplication and how they're handling PCIe versus drive encapsulated, or folks that are, as an example, trying to pool server-side flash with, say, Pernix data or others. So you've got several architectures. You've got Nutanix, you've got Pure, you've got Violin on the high end that's using all PCIe encapsulated flash, which is very fast. And ultimately, you've got a lot of ways to sort of pick through your choices and figure out which way you want to go, including, of course, EMC, NetApp, their flash array that's coming out, and several other options that will be on the market very soon. With that, I think the real choice in the industry comes down to what's the use case scenario, what are you trying to accomplish, and ultimately what are the decision factors and criteria. That could be anything from VDI to just very specific application workloads. And of course, as all this moves to the software-defined data center and software-defined storage, as we're in the EMC world today, there's lots of new iterations of enablement that's going to come out in that realm as well. So that's where our talk about flash today. And if you have any questions, I'm at Keith Norbie on Twitter. Otherwise, it's keithnorbie@gmail.com. And talk to you soon.